Hi, in this series we look at a few Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that can be incorporated in your daily work or school to increase productivity. In this video, we look at how to convert your data into a simple chart and apply it or embed it in your Excel workbook. So for today's video, we have our example from our math functions where we have the expenditure category and the monthly spending. Say you want to look at this data on a graph, how would you do so? So Excel is really smart to analyze your data. Whenever it sees it, there's an opportunity to convert your data into a chart. It automatically gives you some options under quick analysis. So highlight the data and then click on the quick analysis button. So now it gives you a few tabs. Select the chart tab, and then now you see all the possible charts that Excel can generate it for you. So when you hover over the any chart type, it gives you a preview, a quick preview of how your chart would look like. For example, if I look at a bar chart, it gives you your monthly spending and how your spending compares to in a bar graph. You can also do pie charts. You can do vertical or horizontal bar graphs, and a couple of other charts that can be supported can be looked under more charts option. So for today's example, let me bring up bar chart. So now just by clicking on it, you have the chart applied here. On top, if you go to the chart design tab, it gives you options on how to format your chart. So you can format it however you feel like, showing you simple examples that Excel supports. So say you're running maybe an older version of Excel and you don't see this quick analysis button for some reason. You can also manually do the data conversion into a chart by going into Insert tab in Excel, and then under the Charts menu, click on any type of chart that you want. You can also pop this out into a window and then select your charts. So it'll show you examples on how your data would look like, just like we saw under the analysis button. So this is really helpful when you want to quickly convert your data into chart. So same as before, click on OK and the chart is automatically applied here. So I'll go back to the Insert tab, maybe select pie chart this time. You have different options under pie chart on how you want to show the data. So you can also do 3D pie charts in one click. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.